Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to kind of draw the curtain back so you guys can kind of see how I go through this, because there's actually a comment of maybe the process in which I make videos. But first of all, I just want to tell everybody thank you for joining in on the live stream yesterday and jumping over and checking out CodeDam. That if this is the first you are hearing about this, I have released my first class, my first course over on codedam.com. You can check that out. It's under Learning Paths, and you can scroll down. It's Python Mastery. But all right, enough about that. So let's just kind of look at this. So so I have two spiders usually open at all times and a bunch of other stuff. So here was a sequence that kept me up to date when I was experimenting with going through and alternating so people wouldn't get frustrated or bored, or you could check in and check out and hear a bunch of notes. But this is kind of what the script looks like. So I have it all laid out, the title, the date, the day of the week, so I can make sure that I have enough, and then actually the copy of the link to the video if I want to do some more sharing, and any ideas that either I have or people have given me, so you can kind of see the things that I have on the back burner. So we just did that, did that one already, did all of these I believe. But yeah, so I work it out all. When I was first starting this, I would just start, and then it became a hassle that, especially if I've already done the scripts, or I know in my head what 4 or 5 videos I'm going to do. Well, maybe there was a syntax error. So typically over on, once I get the screen going, I use OBS. And then after I hit record, I'll click over to that spider, and I'm sure you've seen me look over this way. So whenever you see me look over that way, I'm looking at my spider below. And then after I do that, and sometimes if there's a really big pause or something, I might make a note of the time on the recording right here, like it's at 2:48. So I definitely need to do some editing at the 2-minute and 48-second mark. I use Premiere, have my intro and outro, and I just drop that video in and then start chopping it up, and then run it through. I encode it and then drop it in over to YouTube. So that's just kind of a peek behind. Oh, and forget who taught me this. But this is so I know I copy this all the way through, and it just works its way down. And so I can do a find here with a pound, and it always takes me to where I need it to be. But yeah, you guys can kind of see the stuff that I have on the back burner, and I have stuff further down that I haven't spoken to, or there haven't been comments about. So just want to leave a little bit of mystery there. And I don't have to hide these as much anymore because you guys know about them. But there are other courses that I'm working on, so please stay tuned for that. But I hope everybody's had a great week. Thank you for all the support. The views are way up because it was a challenge to try to get out any videos while I was working on this course, because this was not torturous, just unbelievably terrifying. Just you guys are supportive of the class, of the channel, and I was just very concerned, especially since I'm on somebody else's platform. That is the thing that has terrified me the most. So I've rambled on enough. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thought it was a really neat idea, but sometimes what I think is neat you guys don't like, but almost all of the ideas that come from the viewers always do well. So I thought this was a slam dunk. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.